Welcome to the guide to Axie Infinity Ronin wallet setup. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up your Ronin wallet for Axie Infinity, a popular blockchain-based game. To start, you need to understand what Ronin wallet is. Ronin wallet is a digital wallet specifically designed for Axie Infinity, allowing you to store, send, and receive Axies, as well as other digital assets. First, go to the official Ronin website and click on the download button to get the Ronin wallet extension for your browser. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions to set up the extension. After installing the extension, click on the Ronin icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet. You will be asked to create a password and provide a backup phrase. Make sure to save your backup phrase in a safe place, as it will be used to recover your wallet in case you forget your password. Next, you need to set up your email address and verify it. This is an important step, as it will help you recover your wallet if you lose access to it. Once your email is verified, you can start using your Ronin wallet. To do this, you need to deposit some Ethereum to your wallet, which will be used to cover the gas fees for transactions. To deposit Ethereum, go to the Ronin website and click on the deposit button. You will be given a unique deposit address, which you can use to send Ethereum from your external wallet. After depositing Ethereum, you can start buying Axies or other digital assets. To do this, go to the Axie Infinity Marketplace and connect your Ronin wallet. You can then browse the marketplace and purchase the Axies you want. Finally, make sure to keep your Ronin wallet and backup phrase safe and secure. Never share your backup phrase or password with anyone. And always use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can set up your Ronin wallet and start playing Axie Infinity. Remember to always keep your wallet and backup phrase safe, and never share your sensitive information with anyone.